everyone, it's Kate and Weather here. Today we're going to be talking about moderate risk. Moderate risk for parts of South Dakota and North Dakota tonight. I'm going to get my epic pen real quick because I'm going to need to use it to show you guys where the severe weather is going to be. So again, moderate risk. This is a very high severe weather risk here. So moderate risk. So right now though, we have severe thunderstorm watches for parts of Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Nebraska. Severe thunderstorm warnings also in North Dakota and South Dakota right now. Now, let's get straight into the forecast because we have a moderate risk for parts of South Dakota. So, I'm also going to show you the future track radar, so I can show you when the exact timing for that severe weather is going to come in. But right now, we have a moderate risk right here for parts of South Dakota. Again, if you have a weather radio, have a phone, make sure they're both not muted, and have a way to get those alerts. This is a very dangerous situation with a high tornado risk. Moderate risk. Very high threat for severe weather. Enhanced risk stretches from parts of North Dakota, South Dakota, and to parts of Nebraska. Again, enhanced risks are usually very strong storms, but then we go to moderate risk, which is even worse. So moderate risk is a very dangerous situation. We also have a slight risk right here that goes from Montana to North Dakota to Nebraska to South Dakota. So this is ongoing tonight, just so you know. Moderate risk. Have a way to get those alerts, because it's going to happen overnight, so you might be sleeping. So just have a way to get those alerts. Wake you up. So here's our tornado threat. As you can see, this is our very big tornado threat right here. Big area here. Parts of South Dakota. That's our 5% chance of a tornado threat. 5% chance of seeing a tornado. And a 2% chance it goes into parts of Nebraska, South Dakota, North Dakota, and Montana. That's our 2% chance there. As we go into look at our hail threat is very low compared to our wind threat. So I'm going to go quickly through this. This is our hail threat. Again, very low chance of hail. Still a chance, but still lower compared to our wind threat. Okay, ready? Here's our wind threat. Bam! Look at this. Very strong, gusty winds right here. Very strong, gusty winds. If you have anything that will blow away outside, move it inside if you're in this area. Not only that, if you're in this area too. That's strong, gusty winds. Usually the red is super strong, gusty winds. Now we have even worse. So very strong winds. Very, very, very strong winds. And right here we have a little bit less of strong winds. But still, it's pretty much nothing compared to this strong winds right here. But yes, very strong gusty winds possible. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you our future radar. So we go ahead and look here. Future track radar, and show you exactly when we're going to see those severe storms come into parts of North Dakota, South Dakota, and Minnesota. So this is tonight. We're going to go to forecast loop, just to show you guys. Forecast loop. As you can see, as we go off, this is about 1 a.m. right here. Again, this is going to happen overnight, so it might happen past midnight, but it's going to be during the night. About 2 a.m. here, we start to see those storms form, and at about 3 a.m., we're going to see the worst of the storms right here, going along the line of South Dakota into Nebraska and a little bit in North Dakota. About 3 a.m., worst storms and tornadic activity possible. Tornadic storms. And then we go into about 4 a.m., it starts to enter North Dakota about 4 a.m. So you guys in North Dakota, it starts to enter your state around 4 a.m. but it's still in parts of South Dakota. At 5 a.m., people start waking up about this time, start to go into North Dakota. But remember, it's a weekend, so most people are sleeping in, so you guys still might be asleep, so have a way to get those alerts. This is only 6 a.m. As you can see, at 6 a.m., we have the worst of the storms just about for North Dakota, and as I said, the moderate risk is for overnight tonight. The enhanced risk is right here in the morning, right here. That's why we have an enhanced risk there. It's not as strong as storms in South Dakota when they went, but it's still strong up here, and that's why we have enhanced risk. And we go later, it's still in parts of North Dakota, just eastern North Dakota, and it starts to go into parts of northern Minnesota. And that's why northern Minnesota right here is in the enhanced risk, because that's where we're going to see the storms, because strong storms going into parts of Minnesota too. And then you guys are clear for a while. So yeah, that's your exact timeline. Hope you guys enjoyed this. But before I leave, I'm going to go ahead and show you the forecast for tomorrow. So, this is today, again, moderate risk. I'll show you tomorrow's risk just real quick. And again, I showed you those storms going into parts of North Dakota and Minnesota on that timeline. Again, here's that enhanced risk right here, just like I showed you. So, and a slight risk right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave a like if you like weather-related content. Subscribe if you like weather-related content. Again, one more time, here is our moderate risk right here. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. Here is our moderate risk one more time, because this is a very dangerous situation. Tornado threat in this area too. Very strong gusty winds and very strong tornadic storms possible in this area overnight tonight. And in this area is where we're going to see some storms for tomorrow morning. So again, moderate risk. So have a way to get those alerts, because you're going to see very strong storms. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!